This is Vaishnavi from XM FinTech. So, as in the series of our Gappa Goshti or Chai event, so today we have Harsh from Technotrade with us. So, to share his challenges and his inspirations, stories. So, let's just start with it. So, first of all, tell us about you and your company.
My name is Harsh and I'm an inventor by profession. I have 7 patents on my name and I'm part of this company called as Technotrade on Intellectual Ventures. We are an innovation company that creates inventions and then we patent these inventions. We have close to around 77 patents of our own in diverse industries and we help people to develop products that have never existed before. So we are India's only intellectual property developers.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so now tell us about the challenges that you face in this success story.
Definitely. Intellectual property per se is very undermined in specifically the Indian territory. Intellectual property is not given the value that it deserves. A lot of companies, starting from Apple to companies such as General Motors, that is of Edison, Thomas Alva Edison, the developer, inventor of bulb. So all these bigger companies have been there because of the proprietary technology that they have. And these technologies, unless and until protected, will not generate the value that it deserves to be. In India per se, the regime of intellectual property specifically needs to develop a lot. There has been significant improvements post the Startup India initiative and the initiatives by the government per se. But there's a long way to go. We have helped a lot of people who appeared on Shark Tank India season 1 and season 2 to create products that have never existed before, and that has started to spread the word that products need not to be copied, they can be also invented by yourself. Just you need to understand the art of innovation.
Okay, sir. So now tell our audience that how you felt in this Gappa Goshti or Chai event. Was it fruitful for you, and will you suggest this to others also?
Definitely. I read this word on your poster. Network is a net worth. It means a lot, and while you are onto a journey where it's a hard road, you do not know when there will be success against the efforts that you're putting. You need people who are on a similar journey to understand the pain, to share the problem, to share the challenges. And Gappa Goshti per se itself was a very interactive conversation where people could be able to also discuss their failures, not just success that most of the networking events are focusing on. क्या सबसे ज़्यादा achieve किया? But this is where we were able to open up on क्या नहीं achieve कर पाएगा, क्या achieve करना चाहोगे. So a very good initiative. It's a very interesting conversation that we had with the team as well, and looking forward to the same many more as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for watching, audience.